Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add picture on green screen in Capcut. So first we have this green screen clip right here and we would like to put the background behind the cat. So what we need to do to be able to do that, you just click on the green screen clip and just go to video, go to remove background, just check in the chroma key, choose this color picker and you just go to the color which you would like to remove from the picture. Then you click on the color and then you can change the intensity and you can also give a shadow, and we can also feather the edge. Sometimes feathering the edge looks better than changing the intensity, but you need to do this till you reach the desired effect. And now we only have the cat, and you can also clean up the edge, which is pretty nice because as you can see now the cat has some of the green color, but if I clean up the edges it looks better because it doesn't have the green edges anymore. So now we have the cat and now we're gonna choose the background which we would like to use. So we're gonna use this background here, and what we need to do is just drag the background under the cat. Now we have the cat, and when we've put the background under the cat, now you can just go back to the intensity and the feather and you can just correct it so that it looks the best. Alright, so all in all, this is how to add picture on green screen in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.